Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to upload a video to YouTube Kids. Uploading videos to YouTube Kids is done through the regular YouTube platform, not the YouTube Kids app. Since children under 13 don't have full YouTube accounts and YouTube Kids doesn't support direct uploads, creators must use YouTube Studio on youtube.com to upload videos as usual. During the upload process, it's important to mark each video as made for kids to comply with COPPA and YouTube child safety policies. Once published and correctly labeled, YouTube automatically reviews the content and determines whether it's suitable to appear in the YouTube Kids app based on quality, safety, and compliance standards. There is no manual option to submit videos directly to YouTube Kids, and accounts set up specifically for YouTube Kids are designed only for viewing, not uploading content. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.